Welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to your MacBook Air M4. First of all, you have to tap on the control center icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Click on the arrow icon next to it, then click Bluetooth settings right here and let your Bluetooth search for nearby devices. At this point you have to make sure that your Bluetooth device is in the pairing mode. Usually it's represented by rapid blinking on most Bluetooth devices. Once you see it on the list, you have to click connect next to it and just wait until the Bluetooth device is connected to your MacBook. Now they are paired. To disconnect from this device, you have to navigate to it and click disconnect. And if you want to unpair this device, you have to click the information icon next to this device, select forget this device and confirm. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.